couple of packages that are coming in this week. These two just came in. So it's time for unboxing. Let's see what we have. Okay, I bought a new thermostat, a 160 degree, and I noticed that my housing was in pretty bad shape. It was all pitted around here and all this, so I got a new one. Just to play it safe, you know. There you go. Now I'm going to open up the second box and see what this one has. And these are the spark plugs that I needed. They're Champions, and that's the parts number. Now, since I'm going to supercharge the car, I needed plugs that are compatible with the supercharger. It's about 2 heat ranges colder than the stock ones, and I'm gonna have to run a little bit bigger gap. But with these particular spark plugs, I should have no issues with detonation or anything like that. And these actually are plugs that fit on the Ford Thunderbird Super Coupe that has the 3.8 liter supercharged V6. So these are going to keep the engine in good shape with no issues dealing with fuel and ignition. More videos to come. Until then, I'll see you.